Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 2. Didn't really plan on making them, but somebody commented on my video and they gave me a pretty good tip. It's not as easy as they think. As you can see, this is all one group, and if we take the shape tool, you can't grab it. So whenever you can't grab it with the shape tool, you've got to go to Effects and Group and Ungroup. And then if you watch the first video, this thing has some really bad square nodes, and they're actually individual lines, which are terrible and unacceptable. Now you could smart fill it, but the other way to do it would be to take your pick tool and select them all, grab your shape tool, and also we got some trash here. That's pretty easily seen when you do it. Now, whenever you do this, you've got to select it all with the pick tool. As a matter of fact, there's some more trash right there I'm going to get rid of. So I've selected all with the pick tool. I grab my shape tool, and you can see all the arrows, which are broken node. Select all your nodes. And now this is maybe a little bit faster. I don't know if it's any better. But then go to Windows, Dockers, and Join Curves. I've got mine just set on 0.1 and hit Apply. Well, by doing that now you have one solid piece. Now we still have a rough edge, and so somebody left me so he didn't tell me, didn't mention this part, but if we select it all now and get the shape tool and then select all the nodes and go right here, I normally do 20, but something this thin, I'm just going to go 2%. And by doing that, they're a little better. They're not perfect. Let me back up here and let me do this again, because I'm real curious about what's going on right there. So, okay, that's a good lesson. Let me back up here to where I had to start, because point 1 isn't very far, but it did connect two nodes that are close enough. So let's grab the shape tool. And this time, let's just join them at 0.01. And now it did it. And now that didn't, see what happened, that it tried to close those nodes because they were a little bit closer than that. Now select it with the shape tool, and go right here and go 2%. And it did about as well, it did a great, well, except for that part right there, where I could do better with the smoothing tool, but I kind of needed to show that off. I said, like 0.25 on our smoothing tool. And see, now we're going to have to go up to Object. Well, why won't it let me grab? And you could fix this manually, make it a little better. I just must not have clicked on, there you go. So you could smooth it out with the smoothing tool. So his way was a good idea, and it's quite possibly faster than see, there's still some areas that I would go over and smooth, just a little bit. The smoothing tool is really superb. So anyway, I thank that viewer or subscriber for mentioning that, and hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.